how to set up game booster settings for best performance on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down and click on game booster settings. After click on game booster settings, you will see first option is game optimization. If you want to set up game booster setting for best performance, click on game optimization. So you will see first option is performance. So if you want to set game booster setting best performance, so click on performance. After click on performance, you will see game booster settings for set on game best performance. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can set up game booster settings for best performance on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.